My name is Håvard Valsøg. I'm a Norwegian structural engineer and I've been using Revit for 17 years without knowing that you can actually make a family out of a system family category in Revit. A very good friend of mine asked me this question a while back and I can't remember how, but I figured out how to do it. And this is how you do it. You make an in-place family, model in place, choose the category that you want. This is not something you can change in the future, so beware. If you want a wall family, choose walls, give it a name, and then create some kind of geometry, for instance an extrusion. I'm going to pull it up a little bit like this, and then before exiting the in-place family editor, you're going to select the geometry and then create a group out of it, give it a group name, and then open the project browser, find the group, right click save group with a name, and that, my friends, is going to create a, let's see, boom boom boom, drum roll, RFA family with the category walls. And that's actually how simple it is. There's two major pitfalls that I can see using this strategy. Number one, if someone on your team or you by accident open the family category and parameters dialog box, you will not find the wall category here to choose. That means that you can't change it from a wall to a floor. It also means that if some asshole chooses now to define this as a structural column family, clicks OK and saves the family, you will never be able to revert that process and make it a wall, as far as I know at least. And the second disadvantage here is that you start playing around with making this a shared family to like create assemblies of wall and floor and ceiling or roof based families. They will not be able to host doors and windows, as far as I know. But this is a pretty promising or like hacky workflow to make component-based system families as point-based families, basically, and I really like it. Bye bye.